Majestic views of the Columbia River are all yours in prestigious Tidewater Cove, offering the ultimate riverfront lifestyle. Buffered by a 20-acre nature preserve, yet close to the city, this gated community is the perfect place to live, work, and vacation. From the expansive clubhouse, tennis court, and swimming pool to the nearby parks and trails, it's easy to enjoy the outdoors right outside your door. Discover high-end luxury design throughout, travertine floors, 2 gas fireplaces, and amazing cherry woodwork with extensive crown moldings. Automated Hunter Douglas blinds, expansive windows, and a covered deck bring the outside in. Take in the tranquil scenery and Portland city lights while relaxing and savoring dramatic sunsets on the water. The chef's kitchen features slab granite countertops, a gas cooktop, high-end appliances, a Wolf oven, wine cooler, convenient pull-out storage, and sub-zero refrigerated produce drawers. The primary suite with hardwood floors and a coffered ceiling has its own gas fireplace, and a luxurious bath with heated granite floors, separate vanities, tiled shower, and a customized walk-in closet. This versatile floor plan includes 3 bedrooms or an office with built-ins, plus 2.5 baths, a surround system, and central AC. You'll find 2 deeded parking spaces and a 10x10 storage unit. Staying active is easy with the clubhouse pool and tennis court. Or host events in a large meeting space. Other amenities include a well-equipped gym, a sauna, convenient kitchen, and a conference room. A sophisticated riverfront condo where you can indulge in a luxurious lifestyle while enjoying endless river views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.